Oh boy, let's freaking do this. Today is Monday, May 12th. Born to Run prep starts now. I am on my way to the fire academy though. I gotta fill up some bottles. I need to get some gas too. See you later. Yeah, so today I'll just be getting all of my stuff ready, and I think tomorrow I'll handle the grocery store part of it and getting all the food together. So yeah, we got that. We gotta go to the college, fill some bottles. Oh, tomorrow I also gotta go to the flower shop and stuff. I'm just getting my day together here live on camera. So anyways, we're gonna go fill up some bottles and then come home, do a lot of laundry and get all ready, and then just do some stretching and just chilling. Garmin recommended just absolutely resting today, so we'll do that. But hopefully you guys have a fantastic day today. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Please check out the merch store, check out Discord, buy me a coffee. You know the whole drill. Well, anyways, let's get to the fire academy. Let's fill some bottles.
Another day at the academy gates. Trucks backed in and the cadets can't wait. Gear check start and the drills begin. But first they need air and I'm clocking in. I'm filling bottles behind the scenes, keeping the backside the compressors clean. From Alpha homes and the drills begin. But first me and my gauge with the bottles and the booze. 9 ounce coming, better top them all. Going full tilt, wind and alert call falls. I'll rotate packs while they're stretching line. I've got their backs. I'm filling bottles behind the scenes, keeping the backside the compressors clean. From half-bed drills to bed previews, that's me and my gauge with the balls on the booze. No one cheers when I haul that cart, but I'm breathing life into every start. Cadets don't pass without clean air, so don't forget to put it there.
I completely forgot to film my drive out of there. But it was a pretty chill day at the fire academy. I got all the bottles filled up that I needed to. I got the bottles filled for the women's pre-academy, women's academy, women's day thing coming up in two weeks. Got all the bottles put away. Yeah, other than that, that was pretty much all I needed to get done at work today. So I'm home already, as you can tell, and let's go eat something, and then I'm just feeling absolutely exhausted, so I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'm gonna wash my running vest, wash my clothes, my running clothes, and the motorhome is here, so it's getting more real. Just day after tomorrow we'll be Born to Run. Hope you guys are excited as I am. Hopefully you're just feeling it. Yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, let's go eat something. Let's take a little bit of a rest. So this is a pretty good look at some of the stuff I'm bringing with me. Carbs, fuel, of course, my favorite gels. We got off-field gummies, a whole rack of just snacks. We got the Trailwind, we got some organic fruit jerky, we got a emergency blanket in case I get out there and I'm like, I'm cold. And then yeah, just more stuff, and coat sleeves, of course, ice bandana. So I'm feeling pretty dang stoked on all of this. I think I'm there. I already washed my vest, it's outside drying, and now I'm just doing laundry for all my running stuff, and yeah, just getting prepared for it. Well everyone, we just got our laundry done, we got our pack wash, we got basically everything we needed to get done today done. So we're just gonna end the video here so I can go to bed a little bit earlier than I did last night, and I'm gonna finish folding this laundry and then edit my video from the day and then call it a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. I know today's been a little bit of a shorter video, but that's okay. Tomorrow we got final preparations. We're gonna go to the grocery store and get the motorhome all packed up, and then Wednesday we'll be getting out of here. So I'm super excited. Hope you guys had a fantastic day today. Don't forget to do something every single day to make yourself better than yesterday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.